full transit custom, in for the StarLine S9 security system. Comes with 2 driver ID tags, and I'm just going to run through some of the basic features that we give you on every install. So being an auto, you get remote start, you get shock, tilt and motion sensor built into the alarm system. We do extra rear shock sensor. This is a standard, so you get dual shock and full trigger on harder impacts. Folding mirrors, which is a great little logic we're proud of. This is something created by myself. This logic, obviously not folding mirrors, but the logic that everyone uses pretty much comes from me. It's the most logical script that there is out there for folding mirrors, and actually today we've actually improved it slightly, so I'll just show you that. Not much, but slightly. But again, there's a lot of thinking going behind. I know it's folding mirrors and all the rest of it, but the way we do it, our StarLine, we do it on deadlock. Again, this forces you to deadlock the vehicle, and then when you unlock them, they don't come in and out, so they only come back out when you start the vehicle. Mirrors are back out. But a little tweak we've done with the remote starts, so I'll just lock them back in again. So remote starts directly from the tag or from the app, or 3 times from the car key. Press the tag, vehicle starts. Mirrors don't fold out, obviously for safety. When you get in the vehicle, we used to have it open up with the driver's door. We've tweaked this slightly now, so in case you do get in the vehicle and stuff and you're not ready to drive off, so we've done it as soon as you put the key on, mirrors come out. So slight improvement. Again, we're always improving the logics. I just think it's better. Solid blue light there for takeover. When you hit the brake, that'll go away. So S9 alarm system, shock tilt motion built in, rear shock protection, folding mirrors, remote start as standard. Ghost mode, so pin code immobiliser, which you can turn off either via the valet button or you can turn it on via the app directly. And if you've got no tag and you try and start the vehicle, on second attempt it goes to full alarm trigger, calls your phone to let you know someone's tampering around with the vehicle. Interested in getting your vehicle done? Give us a call. Tony Lit Car Security, 0333 012 9028.